Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin is right now breaking out exactly like I predicted in yesterday's video here towards the upside. And today I want to talk about whether this is a fake out or whether this is a legitimate breakout. I want to show you whether we are going right now up to my specific price target I will be mentioning here in this video. I will show you my trade on Phemex, which is right now going completely ballistic here. I want to show you exactly what I am planning right now with my next trades for Bitcoin. And also look at this chart. Today, Bitcoin is entering the green phase. We entered it in 2013 with this parabolic rise towards a new all-time high. We entered it in 2016 again with this parabolic rise to a new all-time high. And today, on this Monday, we are entering the green phase once again. I want to tell you exactly what it means for the Bitcoin price right now in the immediate short term. So make sure, guys, you take a seat, you sit down, you scroll down, and you smash up. And today, everyone, guys, I really appreciate your support. Please smash up the like button for this very important time-sensitive video today. Press subscribe, press the bell, and also press here on this bell, press on all. You see that these videos are extremely time-sensitive. You have to press the bell. And also, this offer is not going on for long. I will show you here how you can get your own $390 for trading on Bybit and putting in trades here like me. This is only for experienced traders, but I will show you 2 simple steps how to get this bonus yourself. And with that being said, welcome to the friends and welcome back to mMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, Bitcoin was here coiling up within the symmetrical triangle. And just as I predicted yesterday, we are breaking out towards the upside. What I said yesterday is that we are coiling up here, the volume is falling down, and that our statistical and historical likelihood here to break out towards the upside rather than towards the downside is much, much higher. I was talking about this potential breakout happening today or on Tuesday. I was also showing you some price targets. And before I go on here and I show you my trades and whatever I'm expecting right now here with this breakout, before I'm doing that, I want to show you this little clip here from yesterday, and then we go on. Look at this. In the immediate short term, Bitcoin is clearly in an uptrend here, and unless this is not broken, our bias should be bullish, since the trend is your friend until the end, as you already know. And I want to show you something. First of all, let's talk about the breakout, which is basically imminent. I think until Tuesday, latest until Tuesday, let me check. Yes, until Tuesday latest, we will see this specific breakout here. And obviously, a symmetrical triangle tends to break out more often towards the upside if the trend is bullishly going into it. And here you can see the trend is bullishly going into it, but you can see in case the Bitcoin price would be breaking out here, which is technically the higher likelihood. And as you can see, we exactly got the breakout like predicted here towards the upside. But now the question is, of course, is this a legitimate breakout, or are we talking here just about another fake out? Well, for this, we have to make some volume analysis. And pulling out the volume candles here on the hourly, well, it doesn't look all too crazy, but at least we see here some breakout volume. It's not overwhelming, but it's also not underwhelming. And this is something I want to show you. Whenever you are not sure and you also don't know when exactly within that hourly candle did it break out, just go to the 15-minute candles. And here we can see a very legitimate 15-minute breakout volume here. Obviously, guys, don't be too bullish here only because of 15-minute candles, but it already shows us, well, this could be a legitimate breakout, and we have to see here, we have to govern the hourly and the 4-hourly candles to see, is this actually solidifying over time with more and more follow-through volume? And in case Bitcoin would be breaking down, hopefully not, but in case it happens, are we able to hold this previous resistance, which is now hopefully turning into support? And with all of these check marks, obviously, in this case, it would be a legitimate breakout. We have to be cautious, we have to be vigilant, we have to monitor the price action here to say, well, is this solidifying as a legitimate breakout? So far, so good. So far, it looks like it is exactly the breakout we predicted yesterday. So another question is, in case this breakout solidifies, what is the price target? Well, I want to pull out here this measured move price target once again. And as you can see here, if I'm pulling that out, if we would have broken out tomorrow rather than today, it would be in perfect alignment with this upward sloping trend line here. Because we broke out today, the breakout is not as volatile and as strong as it could be if we break out tomorrow, because the closer we get to the apex, the more volatile and the more strong this breakout is. However, this puts the breakout target here above this level. And in case Bitcoin would be reach this level, obviously that would be crazy, because we would basically break here this trend line we set in since the beginning of the bearish phase here, since September the 3rd. So obviously in case we break it, we can look for higher price targets, we can look for 12,500. But I want to tell you guys, the breakout target is now 12,000 US dollars approximately, but you have to be very, very cautious here. I told you we entered the trade, by the way, down here. I told you to always take profits along the lines. And now I'm also telling you, take profits before we are reaching this level. If you are in a profitable trade, I will show you my trade. It is already very, very profitable at the price target levels we are right now. Consider taking some profits. Consider taking some profits here before testing this line. And then obviously you can take profits along the line all the way up to the 12,500 US dollar levels. But make sure you are going out of this trade either at break even or at a profit, because then you can make sure, well, this trade was successful. Now I'm going home with money. And it's very important for a trader not only not to lose money like Warren Buffett says, but also to make some money. And for this, we have to take some profits. And I want to go here into the next thing I was actually talking about on Twitter. And it is already going completely crazy. I posted it 20 minutes ago, 125 likes. This one will go above 1,000 again. And thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate every like, not only on this video, but also on these amazing tweets we are putting out recently. I see that you guys are amazed. So thank you so much for your support. I want to go into that, but I want to show you also my trade over on Bybit, because many people are asking. I will not show the one on Femex today. I will show it tomorrow. So it is, of course, even more profitable now, but this one is the one on Bybit, and this one is right now raking in 25,000 US dollars in a profit, nearly 150%. You see here my entry price. I put in a little bit more at the recent breakout, and yes, now I'm still in the trade. I remember how people were laughing at me when I opened this trade, but you know, we at the Crypto family, we are taking only very strong trades together here, and this is what we did. Thank you so much, guys, also for sharing your profits in the comment section down below. I always really appreciate that. So if you also want to trade, if you're standing now on the sidelines, you want to trade the next breakout trade or whatever you want to trade here, also based upon your own research, well, I have good news for you. Every single one watching this video right now, you can get $390 for free here on our exchange, on the Bybit exchange I just showed you here previously. And this link here is in the pinned comment down below. You just scroll down here below the video in the pinned comment section, you find this comment, and here you see for everyone $390 for free. Everyone watching, if you are an experienced trader, and if you click this specific link, this is our partner link, our original Bybit partner link here. If you click this link, you get $390 for free. Just click it, make your account, put your email address in, your password, and after doing that, after your initial deposit and with our code here, you can get $390 completely for free. And this is, of course, something amazing. This is something which I consider to be very fair, especially considering that it is the highest bonus available on any exchange. Here you can see the trade right now completely going parabolic, but as you already can see, I'm not freaking out here. I'm a level-headed trader, and I know exactly where to take profits. I know exactly how to handle my trade, and when you are trading from a position of strength, these things are actually not surprising you. This is why you are subscribed to the Crypto channel. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, for joining us here. And now I want to talk about the by far most bullish thing. And this is this year. Bitcoin is entering the green phase, the last phase, the parabolic phase. And here I'm not joking. Here I am talking, big disclaimer about the weekly candles. So if we are dumping in 2 or 3 days, don't point with a finger to me. I am talking here about the weekly. I am talking here about the long-term trend. And here, big credits to Plan B for making the stock-to-flow model. Big credits to Glassnode for providing us with this amazing data. We are a close partner of Glassnode, so big credits to you guys. Shout out. I hope you are watching. And this is something I consider to be very bullish. I am saying here, Bitcoin is entering the green phase. And look at this. In 2013, directly here after the halving, we entered the green phase. The Bitcoin price went parabolic. In 2016, directly after the halving, it is always every single time, 5 months after the halving, we are entering the green phase. The colors are attached to the days until the next halving. We are entering the green phase. What is happening during the green phase? We are going parabolic in the first cycle, in the second cycle, and right now, look at this. We are entering the green phase once again. And to make things worse here for the bears, I want to show you this chart on Glassnode. So this is is the stock to flow ratio. And I want to go down here and show you the stock to flow deflection. Make a mental screenshot of this one. Now let me go down here to the stock to flow deflection. And this is a chart Glassnode is also providing us with. I will leave the free sign up link in the description down below. And this one here is the deviation of the stock to flow model, of the price to the stock to flow model. As you know, going back here to the stock to flow chart, the price is always in a deviation. Sometimes we have a perfect fit, like right here or so, with the prediction line of the stock to flow model. And as you can see right now, we are below. So whenever we have the halving, the stock to flow goes up and it pulls the price like a magnet through co-integration, Plan B says, towards the upside. And this is exactly happening right now. Whenever we are below the prediction line, the stock to flow deflection is red. And whenever we are above, it is green. And red is good because red means, oh, sorry, it's the other way around. In this case, they are doing green. In this case, green is good because we are below. And whenever we are below, the price should get pulled towards the upside. And this is exactly what we can see here. Whenever we are below, the price goes up because we are actually getting pulled towards the upside. And whenever we are getting red, this means, according to the stock to flow model, we are overvalued right now and the Bitcoin price should retrace down, at least to its fair value. And this is exactly what is happening always shortly afterwards. Right now we are green. We are severely undervalued towards the stock to flow model, which we are actually every single time before and after the halving. And now the price will eventually, like in the historical perspective is showing it to us, be pulled towards the upside. This is exactly what we can see right here. So yeah, follow us on Twitter. We just posted this. We are posting this in absolute real time, so you guys can get it in absolute real time. It is very important. I'm posting many things. I just posted directly at the breakout. Bitcoin is breaking out right now as expected. You are getting these signals and they are completely for free. You are not spending like $5,000 to get these signals. I am posting this on Twitter in absolute real time. Here I was posting Bitcoin can reach $1 million before 2025. I am standing by my words. I think this is very possible. Not saying it's 100% happening. The question is also how much can you buy when this happens for your money, because we are losing purchasing power over time. But I am sticking to these words, and you see here nearly 1,000 people clicking like, also agreeing to that. Obviously, I was posting more because I was going through a hard time after we hit the low at 3,100 with DaVinci. We made so much bullish content at $3,500, at $4,000. People were laughing at us and they are saying, well, you are bullish, you are bullish. Well, we are entering the bull market, and when everyone is bearish, this is obviously when we want to be bullish. And this is the reason why I am bullish on Bitcoin. And I was posting that here also on Twitter. Yes, I am bullish on Bitcoin. I was bullish at $1,000. I was bullish at $3,150. I was bullish here at the bump and run reversal pattern at $7,000. I am bullish right now. Zoom out and thank me later. This is what I'm saying here on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter if you agree with that. And obviously, if you want to have these time-sensitive updates directly pushed towards you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. And we will see each other very, very soon. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow at the next one of Crypto. I will be traveling to Turkey, so let me know if you are there, Istanbul and Bodrum. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up directly here by my side. Click it right now. And as always, guys, bye-bye.